Hello friends! Today we'll be running a strategy with a volume indicator. So we will be accelerating our deposit from $89 today using just this indicator. I will tell you what is similar to the RSI indicator and how to make money with it at all. So now I'm going to show you how to set it up, where it is located. It is almost at the very bottom, as you can see just here, and here we're just like one setting and it doesn't affect anything at all. It's just normal transparency here, and that is if you enter a parameter of 10 you can hardly see it, so let's leave it as it was originally. This is how this indicator looks like. It's fairly like underutilized, but it can be used to like maximize your profit. So in generally the volume shows the number of concluded deals in a given time period, so like where exactly the chart is built. In this period shows the number of trades, so which we have more liquid. Everything is quite simple in fact. So if we have a lot of red candles on this indicator, then the chart is likely to go down. We are good to go. We have almost $90 in our balance and we will accelerate our deposit using this indicator. Also today we will use not only this indicator but also technical analysis, and candlesticks pattern will also help us to analyze situations on currency pairs. Well, I can already see a pretty good situation. Here we have a rapid downward movement and we also have high volumes on this indicator, which suggests that we will also see the price go down in the future. Here's a look around, friends. If we've really got the price down, we can notice that we have many powerful candles on this indicator, rapid downward movement on the chart, and we also have candlestick patterns. We have the evening star here. This is how this candlestick pattern looks like, and altogether we have a signaling to us that we have a deal becoming more than a sure thing. That's why we capitalized in this case, but we don't stop there. We look at some other situations. This is where I'm going to open a down trade. We can notice that we have red candles looming in this indicator. That is, we have an indication that in this case it is liquid to open on the downside. Here you go, friends, check it out. And yes, indeed the price went down. We made money in this case. Plus we have, based on the chart, we have a general price movement moving downward. That is, in this case, we opened in the direction of the trend movement and earned money. So we'll change the amount of our deal and see what other situations come up. Look, I see a rapid downward movement and we also have red volume on this indicator. So opening in the same direction. And take a profit on these currency pairs. So indeed the price went down further. Here we can also notice that we have a small trading corridor as well. We're going to have a little technical analysis in this here. So this is what it looks like. And look, the price went from upper boundary to the lower boundary, and so we made a deal somewhere in the middle and waited for a price to come to the lower boundary. So accordingly, the volumes also show that the price went down further. That's why we made money. That's already a pretty good amount of money on our balance sheet, and we'll look at the appropriate situation next. I'm opening down in this case, so everything here is quite simple. Even a beginner will understand. We form several like red candles on this indicator and respectively, and the price goes down. And yes, guys, indeed, the price when go down, we are taking our profit on this currency pair. So that we are here, we can also notice we also have an inverted hammer. This is a candlestick reversal pattern, which indicates that the price is going to reverse in this case. So we have earned, change the amount of the transaction, of course, over 1,000 already. Check it out, friends. Great work on our strategy, and let's keep looking. If I tell you that now I'm giving you your first rewards from trading it's $1,000, will you follow my steps? I believe that you will do. So now, please keep your attention because the source I'm sharing with you is actually a key for your reward. I'm sharing with you the real-time trading signals on my Telegram channel, so all of you can gain this $1,000 just in a few hours of trading and a few clicks. Trades which I'm sharing give up to 9% of profit, so with even $100 you can gain your $1,000 easily. Remember, who doesn't try never gets. So don't waste this opportunity. Follow my Telegram channel, link you will find in the description, and see you there. And in this case, I'm opening on the downside. First of all, on the chart, the price has already reversed rapidly, and secondly, on the indicator, we can see that we have a red volume, which indicates a further decline in price. And look, friends, how coolly our strategy and trading indicators work. So we're taking our profit, it's already almost $2,000 in the balance, but we are interested in slightly different amounts. So we'll open another trade relying on this trading indicator and technical analysis. I'll open in this case for a raise. And we can see a rapid upward movement. We open on the trend, and we can also notice a rather powerful volume on the volume indicator. And we take our profit on these currency pairs. So look, friends, we have almost $4,000. I think it is a very good result. Our trading indicator is working very well. The trading strategy doesn't let us down. Maximum profit can be earned using this trading indicator. So quite few people using this indicator, to be honest, as it is rather obscure on the one hand, but when you use it when analyzing charts, everything is quite simple. So it can be used by both beginners and experienced traders. In fact, it is somewhat similar to the RSI indicator in that it has one difference. So the RSI indicator has a line that repeats the chart movement, but on this indicator, on the volume indicator, we do not observe any lines. So it lines up, it repeats the movement of the chart in the form or just candles. So this is if the price is going up, we also have green candles, and if the price going down, we have red candles. So, and that is how this indicator works, but we can generally stop there. Great trading today using just one indicator and technical analysis. So in our Telegram channel, you can also learn in more detail how to use various trading indicators and trading strategies. So sign up for all my social media, please. And so we stop here. Thank you all for watching. Bye.